Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to make a Facebook cover page on Canva. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to log into your Canva dashboard. If you don't have one, navigate into canva.com and create a free account. Well, to create a Facebook cover page, I'll navigate into the search area and type in Facebook cover. I'll press on enter so I can see the available templates that Canva has to offer for creating a Facebook cover page. And here we go. I can scroll through the many of the templates that are provided to choose one of my liking. Assuming I work with animals, then I feel this is the right one. I'll click on that, and from the pop-up menu, I will select Customize this template. Canva will then open the template in design mode. Here, I have the ability to customize all the elements that are in here to make them suit my brand. I want to keep the yellow background, but then I want to change the color of the text. In this case, I'll double click on this text area and type in a text of my choice. I want to have Dogman. And down here, we are offering training. Once that is done, I'll want to change the color of this by navigating at the top color option. I have the ability to change the color to suit my desired design. I will choose that specific color for contrast, reduce that in terms of size, pick the back element here and change the darker color into a lighter color. In this case, I'll pick this lighter color so that there is contrast, and then I may want to include my logo in here. I'll keep the animal page. So to have a logo, I'll navigate into the upload section, upload the logo directly from my computer or using the available tools provided. I will then scroll down to some of the logos that I have already uploaded, and this one looks good, so I'll just bring it and drop it up on my image. You notice that it has an outline which is white and it's a little bit disruptive. So what I'll do, I'll select the image of the logo I have just uploaded and navigate into the edit image section. On the edit tools that are available, I will want to remove this white border here by selecting the background remover. Once I click, Canva will roll carefully and remove the white areas. There we have. I can now have my logo appear somewhere nicely the way I want it, probably somewhere at the top here. Remember, this is a Facebook cover. Once it's done and I feel that all the settings are okay the way I prefer, I'll navigate into the share option and hit the download option. In here, I will download as a PNG and of course select download option. Once the download is complete, you can now navigate into your Facebook and use your Facebook cover. And there we have it. You can now make Facebook cover pages using Canva. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.